Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sub-Zero brand refrigerator and it's giving you an EC space 24R error and you're wondering what this error is and what you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, this error indicates that there's a problem with the defrost system. So it has an automatic defrosting system and it's not working for some reason. So there's a couple things that you want to check to figure out what's going on. One is you want to check the defrost thermostat. There's also a heater that helps with it, that actually performs the defrost. If it's not that, then there could be an issue with the control board, which needs to be replaced. In that case, you might need to get a professional in. But so anyways, you might notice that you're having defrosting issues, and you might actually need to, in the meantime, manually defrost the freezer because it's not going to defrost properly if you're getting this error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.